Good day. Can you find the square of this number in just a few seconds? That will be our lesson today. Our first example is a number which is close to the base, but it is lacking a few units. Likewise, that deficiency is more than one digit. Let's take, for example, 88. 88 is close to base 100 by 12 units. Next step is to subtract 12 from 88. The difference is 76. Let us write 76 temporarily. Since the deficiency is already known, we will square 12. 12 times 12 is equal to 144, and we will write under the hundreds place. Now we get the final answer. The final answer is 7,744. Another example is a number close to the base with extra digits, but this time it is more than one digit. Like, for example, in 115 there are 15 units more than the base 100. This will be added to 115, so 115 plus 15 is equal to 130. On the other side, we will compute for the square of 15, which is 225. We will write 225 under the hundreds place. Now, we will get the final answer. Final answer is 13,225. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.